Hey guys, welcome back to another protein snack review. So Sunday, we're wrapping it up. This is the last Chobani flip. So pretty much on the weekend we just did 2 Chobani flips. They're really yummy. They're a little bit naughty, so you're gonna have to maybe have them for dessert or maybe save, eat a little less somewhere else. So these are really yum, but they're definitely sort of upper scale from the protein sort of range, but they are gonna cost you a bit more. So with that being said, let's get into it. So calories for these are 175, so it's so-so, it's not too bad, but you got 10.7 grams of protein in it, so that's good. You're looking at 4.8 grams of fat, a little tiny bit high. If it was around the like 3-ish range, that'd be excellent. And then the thing that sort of lets them down is the 22 carbohydrates, but that being said, they taste outstanding. So they're definitely like Halo Top sort of like rangy sort of like dessert yumminess, so they're great. I really rate them. So this one is strawberry shortcake, by the way, guys, so looks good on the pictures. On the cover. Alright. Alrighty, let's give this a go. Also, if you're wondering who won out of the YoPro and Chobani during the week, basically Chobani won, most of the time. Basically, I think it was 4 out of 5 times, or 3 out of 5. Can't remember now. But basically, they did have, Chobani had a little bit better sort of fruit pieces and stuff like that in it, where the YoPro didn't, and the YoPro kind of had a little bit more of a drier texture, drier sort of after finish sort of thing. It's a little bit weird to say, but if you ate it, you get it. And then Chobani also had a bit of a more sort of zing or sourness kind of thing to them. So that's a wrap up for that. But if you want to go watch them. They're all on Facebook, YouTube. So they're all there. The links are below if you want to check them out. So just basically, it just looks like in this for you guys to see. There's white chocolate choc chips, which is great, and then the rest is like this sort of, it must be shortbread. Looks really good. So just give that a good mix. I reckon this is going to be pretty good. Yesterday we did the cookies and cream. I was pretty impressed, I liked it. But I've had before, but we will eventually do. There's like a salted caramel and pretzel. It's outstanding. Let's give this a go. Man, all these are great. This has got almost like a nutty kind of taste to it, which is kind of nice. It really does taste like a strawberry shortcake. It's really, this is really good. And nothing bad to say about this. I definitely highly recommend this one. Rating for this, definitely rate it better than yesterday's. It's going to have to be an 8.6. This is really yum. I really rate this. Great textures, really good crunch. There's that white chocolate in there. I love white chocolate. Strawberry tastes great. It's awesome. So highly recommend this, guys. Again, just watch out for those carbs, depending on what kind of phase of your diet you are in. But yeah, if you're looking for a sweet sort of something to have after dinner, and you can make the room for it, definitely check out the flips. They're great. If you can't, have, that much wiggle room in your diet, definitely check out the protein range. They're still yum, but you can only do what you can only do with those kind of stats. And the protein range is like 15, pretty much 0 fat and 7 carbs. They're just outstanding. So, that's it for the week, guys. If you liked us, let us know. And next week, going on Monday, hopefully, we'll have all new Halo Tops for you guys. You guys seemed to enjoy them last time, so we're going to choose another 7 flavours, go over them. And I think there's 15 in Australia, so we're going to have to miss one, but that's it for now, guys. thanks for watching, and if you got anything out of the video at all, if you can give it a like, a share, comment, anything like that, please do, because it really helps us out. And that's it. So hopefully you enjoyed it, guys, and we'll see you again tomorrow.